Welcome, puzzle explorers. Oh no, watch out for that green car soon! Everything went chaotic.
Here comes our hero. The heroic fire truck is rushing in with a loud wee-woo to save the day.
Look at these pieces. Can you spot where the ambulance sirens go? Let's rebuild our brave rescue friend together.
Hey, who's that? A surprise puppy popped to help us solve this puzzle. Ruff.
3, 2, 1.
Slide that piece right into the shadow. Click. You are doing amazing. Just a few more parts to go. Is back in action and ready to help. You're a master puzzle solver. High five, everyone. Buckle up, friends. Here comes our brave police car buddy, zooming into action. Wee-woo, wee-woo!
Wait, where did the wheels go? Did a hungry monster eat the engine? Oh, no!
Silly co-host. It's just a puzzle. We're taking our hero apart to see how all the cool parts fit together. Time to build. Can you help us put the chassis back? 3, 2, 1, go!
2, 1, go!
I'll put the tires on the roof. That's right?
Not quite. Remember, the tires go on the bottom to help our police car roll fast. Click, snap, there we go. Look, our kitty friend is helping. Meow-tastic teamwork, everyone. The final piece is in place. Everything is shiny and ready for patrol duty. Ta-da! Our brave police car is ready to keep the city safe. You guys are puzzle superstars.
That was a blast. Smash that subscribe button so we can solve more mysteries together next time.
Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we have 2 heavy-duty friends joining us in the park. Can you guess who they are?
Hello!
Whoa, hold on. Is that a giant spaceship landing? Wait, no. It's just a dusty storm.
Haha, not quite. That's a cement mixer and a dump truck playing in the wind. Stay close. We need to help them. Everything is dark. Can you spot the outlines? Use your magic finger and trace the shapes on your screen.
Wait, is that a giant taco? No, it's an ambulance. Good eye, everyone. It's here to keep our truck safe.
Time to build our cement mixer friend. He needs his big round drum to mix all that concrete. Where does it go? Click! Perfect fit. Now he needs those sturdy wheels to roll down the street. Vroom, vroom!
I think the bumper goes on top. Wait, that's wrong, right?
Nice try, silly. The bumper goes right at the front to keep him protected. Let's try again. He's almost ready. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic work! Look at him spin. Our cement mixer is happy and ready for work. Give him a big high five on the screen. Now for the mighty dump truck. He needs his fuel tank to keep his engine roaring. Can you find it? Ting! That fuel tank is locked in. Now let's attach that huge red bag so he can carry all his heavy loads. Don't forget the tires! A truck can't go anywhere without its big, bouncy wheels. Let's snap them on! Now, 3, 2, 1, and click! Our dump truck is looking stronger than ever. Boom! Fireworks for our amazing builders. We did it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big construction site adventure. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a giant spaceship? I bet it's a rocket.
Not quite silly. Those are our hard-working construction friends waiting to be built. Let's get to work. Can you help me drag the scraper's frame into place? Slide it to the left, just like that. Click! Now for the motor grader's giant blade. It helps smooth out the dirt perfectly. You're doing great! Pop the cabin on top! Beep, beep! Our yellow machines are looking strong and ready for action. They are finished! High five, team! You built these mighty machines in record time!
Boom! Fireworks for our master builders. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun, everyone.
Welcome, builders! Today we are visiting the coolest construction site ever to assemble our heavy-duty machine pals.
Whoa! Check out that magic wall. Is it turning the trucks into stars? I bet it's gonna make them fly.
Not quite, silly. It's our matching challenge starting. Can you help our cat friend find the missing shapes? Let's start with the road roller. It smooths out the ground so cars can drive safely. Where does that big heavy wheel go? Click! Snap! Look at that! You matched the chassis perfectly. Vroom! The roller is ready to rumble. Next up is the mighty dump truck. He loves carrying giant piles of dirt. Can you spot the piece that fits the back cargo bed? She finished it! High five, everyone! That dump truck is looking shiny and strong, ready for the next big job.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit. Let's try again. Is it the square one? Yes.
No!
There it clicks into place. Beep, beep.
Finally, the hard-working grader. It uses that long blade to flatten the bumpy road. Where should we put the cabin? Boom! All 3 vehicles are complete! You are a master builder superstar! Let's celebrate with those fireworks! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors. Vroom, vroom, look at them line up.
Abracadabra! They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Oh, silly.
3,
Wheels belong on the road. Let's
1,
drag it to the
go!
silhouette down here. Great job! Click! That piece fits perfectly like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us! Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
It is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance! You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers! Look up at the sky. We have some mystery silhouettes to solve today.
Is that a giant flying banana? No, wait, it's a tractor. Zoom, zoom.
Haha, not quite. That's our hard-working tractor. Let's find its yellow shovel so it can get to work. Click! That cabin fits perfectly on our mighty dump truck. Great job, team!
I found the wheels. They go on the truck, right? Or maybe on my feet.
Pop those wheels on tight! The mighty truck is almost ready to roll out. Almost there. Can you point to the last cabin piece? 3, 2, 1, snap! Vroom, vroom. All vehicles are fully assembled and looking shiny and new.
They look amazing. I wish my car could transform like that too.
Look at all that confetti. You did it, Puzzle Masters. High five, everyone.
See you next time for more big adventures. Beep beep. Goodbye.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're joining our mighty yellow construction crew on a big adventure. Vroom, vroom. Wow, look at all those yellow trucks gathering. They look like they're ready for some serious work, don't they?
Drill time! Brrr! Our hard-working diggers are busy breaking up that tough rocky ground today.
Look at all that dust flying. It's super intense, but these trucks are strong enough to handle anything.
Whoa, who's this? A cute kitty joined our game. Hello, little friend. Ready to play?
Time for a challenge. Can you spot the right silhouette for our mighty truck pieces?
3, 2,
Focus,
1,
everyone.
go!
Oops, that piece didn't fit. Maybe try the other shape? Don't worry. Even pros make mistakes sometimes.
Great focus. Keep looking closely at those edges. Which part matches the shadow best? You're getting closer. See how the shape aligns? Click it into place. Let's go.
Very nice. It's so cool.
Hell yeah!
Yes, that one clicks perfectly. You are doing an amazing job solving these tricky shadows.
Almost there. Just a few more pieces pieces to finish our construction team. You've got this. Ta-da! The trucks are fully assembled and looking shiny. You did it, Puzzle Masters. High five, everyone. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Ready to meet our big, dusty desert friends today?
Vroom vroom. Look at that shiny tow truck and our super strong cement mixer.
Oh no, they've turned into puzzle pieces. Can you help us put them back together? Let's start with our kind rescue truck. Does this wheel fit right here?
Maybe it goes on the roof? Wait, no, that looks silly. Click it onto the axle instead.
He's all fixed up and ready to tow. Great job, team! Now for the cement mixer. See that big spinning drum? Let's slide it into place.
Off goes the piece. Our mixer is looking brand new and ready to build.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. They are so happy to be back on the road.
You guys are puzzle masters. Thanks for playing, and see you on our next big adventure.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready for a desert construction adventure today?
Vroom! Look at our hard-working digger buddies clearing the rocky ground.
Here comes the mighty dump truck. Can you count the 3 vehicles with me? 1, 2, 3.
He's tipping his bed to dump the load. That is some serious heavy lifting. Wow!
Now our gray excavator friend needs some energy. Which color canister should we pick?
I bet he wants the blue one. Wait, no, maybe he prefers the red one? Let's try.
The red fuel is a perfect match. Ooh la la! Clink, clank! He's feeling energized now.
Look, magic! Adding the green canister makes him change colors. How cool is that?
Great job, helping the gray dump truck find his yellow fuel. You are a puzzle master. We did it! All our vehicle friends are assembled and ready to roll. High five, everyone! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Look at our mighty truck friends zooming along the sunny beach today.
Whoa, splash! Our truck just found some fishy friends in the waves. Are they hungry too?
Oh no, hold your breath. He's taking a giant leap into the blue. Pow! Watch those parts fly!
What?
Bruh.
Everything is calm again. massive cruise ship sailing by while our truck rests on the sand.
Wow, look at all those thank you messages popping up. Everyone loves our helpful mighty truck.
Whoa, look at him.
Our crab buddy says goodbye. You did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. See you on our next big adventure. Hey, Puzzle Pals. Our Spidey friends are dancing up a storm to kick off today's big challenge.
Whoa, look at those moves. I bet I can dance just like that. Watch me go.
Oh, look, a mysterious shadow appeared on the road. It's a job for our mighty truck.
I think a tractor cab belongs there. Or maybe a giant pizza. No, definitely a tractor cab.
Great guess! Let's use this big crane to lift the cab into place. Heave-ho! Up it goes! Clink! It fits perfectly. The loading bar is moving. We are almost there. Vroom vroom! Our mighty truck is coming together piece by piece. Keep going, Crane. Ta-da! The final piece is locked in. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Boom! Fireworks for our new truck friend. You did amazing today. Thanks for helping us build something so cool. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a high-speed matching adventure. Wow, look at our super cool crew. We've got Pirate Blaze, the dump truck, our heroic fire truck, and Cowboy Blaze ready to roll. Uh-oh, where did they go? They've turned into shadows. 3, 2, 1.
2, 1, go!
Time to find them. Can you spot where our friends belong? Point your finger at the right silhouette. Yeah, Cowboy Blaze fits perfectly into his shape. Great job!
You found the pirate! He's back on deck, matey.
Wee-woo! The heroic fire truck is back in place. Yes! You're doing amazing! Our heavy-duty dump truck is locked and loaded. Perfect match. Poof! Magic sparkles for our pirate friend. He looks ready for treasure. Hey, look!
Whoa, look at that glow! Our fire truck is shining bright like a star.
Ting! The sparkles with magic.
Monkey goo?
You are a puzzle
Try to
master.
catch me!
And finally, Cowboy Blaze gets the magic touch. Everything is back in its spot. You did it. What an incredible team. Thanks for playing. Superstars, see you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build something amazing? Vroom vroom, let's go!
Whoa! Did that orange bulldozer just scoop up our yellow friend? He's trying to eat the truck!
Don't worry, silly. That's just the bulldozer helping our cement mixer friend get to the workshop. Look at our red robot friend go. He needs 4 wheels to make the truck zoom. Can you count them with me?
Is he putting the windows on the wheels? I think he's doing it wrong. Ha-ha!
Not quite, silly. Windows go on the top so the driver can see. Click! That's the way. Now for the big spinning drum. Spin, spin, spin! It's coming together perfectly. Boom! Fireworks everywhere! We did it, builders! Our yellow mixer is ready for the road!
Great job, everyone. Give yourselves a huge high five. You're all
Welcome, explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed mystery adventure today?
Whoa, look at that! A brave police car, buddy, just parked on the grass. Vroom, vroom!
Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3 police cars have joined the party.
4 brave heroes ready for action. Wait, what's that magical sparkle? Poof!
Everything turned into silhouettes. Can you spot the right shape for our puzzle? Grab your virtual crayons. Which color should we pick to make our police car shine?
I'm going to paint it bright. Watch the colors fill in. Splash, splash, splash!
Fantastic focus. Keep going. You're doing a brilliant job matching those colors.
Okay.
Red alert! It's a bold red cruiser now. Look at that happy heart pop up.
Now it's pink. That's a stylish look for a police car. A gold star for your effort.
Blue is my favorite. And look, a yummy sticker. You really know your colors. Back to red. High five to everyone playing at home. You guys are puzzle masters.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. Our police squad is celebrating your amazing work. Great job, team!
Hey there, puzzle fans. construction friends. Get back to work?
Whoa! Did you see that? Boom! Everything got all jumbled up.
Oh no! Our vehicle friends are missing their parts. Can you help us find them? Look, that silhouette belongs to our hard-working digger. Which piece fits the scoop?
Maybe it's a giant slice ups. No, wait, that's not right, is it?
Silly co-host. It needs the heavy metal bucket to scoop up dirt. Click it into place. Ting! Perfect fit! Now let's help the mighty truck get his wheels back. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 big wheels. Beep, beep.
I think the flatbed truck is missing his tractor friend. Where could he be hiding?
Point your finger at the screen to help me drag the tractor onto the flatbed. Vroom! He's back on track and ready to roll. You guys are puzzle masters. Just one more piece for the dump truck's bed. Can you find the square one?